Welcome, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, and in this video I will show you what you can do with your tablet in case your touchscreen stopped working. So if your touchscreen isn't responding, then what you can do is remove the case from your tablet. As you can see, I don't have any already, and also remove the screen protection from your device. And once you do that, try cleaning your screen with a microfiber cloth and see if it helps you resolving your issue, and check if your touchscreen is responding now. But if it's still not, you can force restart your tablet by holding down the volume down key and the power button. So hold both of these keys down for more than 10 seconds. Okay, and once your laptop screen goes off, that means that it started to reboot. Now let's wait until it boots up again, and then wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, check if your touchscreen started responding. But if it didn't happen, then you're gonna have to use the safe mode and enter the safe mode instead, in order to check if no third-party applications are affecting the way that your touchscreen works. So in order to do that, you have to hold down the power button and the volume down key together for more than 10 seconds until the screen of your tablet goes off. And once the screen of your tablet goes off, stop holding the volume down key and instead press the volume up button. But don't release the power button until you see the HUAWEI logo on your screen. And once the HUAWEI logo appears on your screen, you can release the power button and keep pressing the volume up key for the rest of the time until you enter the recovery mode or boot mode. Now, using your volume keys to navigate, scroll down to safe mode option and then press the power button to confirm, and this way you will boot your device into the safe mode. So right now let's simply wait until your device boots up. And once your device is booted into the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. So check if your touchpad started responding. Your laptop should also be less laggy in the safe mode, and in case your laptop still isn't working properly, then in such case let's restart the laptop once again by going into the first of all, if your tablet is working well, then go to settings, go to system and updates, select software update. Excuse me, don't go to the software update. Instead, go to reset, then select reset all settings, confirm once again. Wait until all the settings are reset, and once the reset is complete, your tablet should restart afterwards. But if it's not happening, let's hold the power button again until you see this screen, then tap restart, confirm, and then wait until your tablet is restarted. And once it's restarted, your touchscreen should return back to normal. Okay, and right now check if your touchscreen is working. If it's working, then the problem is resolved. The issue was probably some third-party application that affected the way that your touchscreen behaved. If your problem isn't resolved, then the only thing that you can do right now is go to your settings. Of course, first of all, you're gonna have to return to the safe mode where your touch screen is working better, or working generally. Then go to system updates, reset, and reset tablet, then confirm and perform the factory reset by tapping this button and waiting until your tablet is fully reset. Once you do that, then most probably the problem will be resolved for you. And that's basically it for this video. I really hope that this troubleshooting guide helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.